up? Kit here. So I'm going to be showing you how I create these super cute sprinkles nails. I hope that you enjoy. So today I'm going to show you how I create these really super cute sprinkles nails. So first off, I'm starting with my gelish foundation layer, and then I've got my gelish structure gel. So this one is actually in a pink color. Normally I use a clear one, but when I went on their website they were sold out of the clear one, so I just decided to try the pink. And then I've got my clear top coat and then some Anastasia Beverly Hills loose glitters, which I'm going to encapsulate in my nails so they're super sparkly and cute, and I'll show you just how I do that. So I'm just wiping off my nails with a bit of alcohol. So you can use a nail dehydrator if you have one. That is going to help the gel polishes stick better to your nails. And I meant to go in with my base coat, but silly me, I forgot. So just pretend we put our base coat on and then cure it for 10 seconds, and then we go in with our structure gel. But yeah, how are you guys going? It's been ages. I've been in like a little bit of a rut. I haven't been making a lot of videos. I sort of, I don't know, got a bit discouraged. I've been doing some like wig commissions and making ears, and I don't know, just had an experience where like a customer wasn't happy, and then I was just like, oh my gosh, am I doing wigs? Like, what's going on? So that sort of like, you know, brought my ego down a little bit, which like, it's good to have that like reality check sometimes. Everyone needs that once in a while. But yeah, I'm back feeling more like myself now. Sorry if I'm pretty like low energy than what I normally am. I'm like, I don't know, just like Christmas was a couple days ago. As you guys know, I actually work at Sephora and retail, so like Boxing Day, Black Friday, all of the retail stuff, I'm a bit like exhausted. But I'm super excited because later on today we're actually gonna go watch the new Wonder Woman movie. So we're gonna leave the house in maybe like, I don't know, 10-20 minutes as soon as I finish filming this video. Hopefully it's good. I'm really looking forward to it. The last two were like awesome, so I can't wait to see what they come up with. Yeah. But yeah, you guys will have to tell me in the comments down below how your Christmas was and what you guys are getting up to. But here you see I'm just curing that first layer of structure gel for 45 seconds. Put it in my little UV lamp. And now it looks like I'm doing a second layer of that same structure gel. So the more structure gel you use, the thicker that the nail will be. Like, you know, when you go to a salon and get your like acrylic nails done, normally that's what I used to do. And the acrylic, like, you know, gives some like thickness to your nails. So this is exactly what the structure gel does. I'm really intrigued though. I've been wanting to try out polygel. Have any of you guys tried polygel? It seems really cool, but I've been struggling finding like a cruelty-free vegan company. Macart, they're pretty good. I reached out to them and was asking them about their like credentials and everything, and they're cruelty-free and vegan. So I might give them a go in the near future. But let me know if there's any specific polygel nail looks that you would like to see me recreate. I'd be more than happy to do that for you. So what I'm doing now, I haven't cured my nails all the way, so they're still a little bit wet. I just cured them for maybe a few seconds, just so they're not like super like dripping wet, and otherwise it would be impossible for the glitter to stick to them. So I'm just taking my fluffy eyeshadow brush and placing the glitter onto my nails because they're still wet, they're sticky, so it gives them something to stick to. And then after I've got my glitter on, then I cure the nails, so the glitter cures into the nails. But yeah, you will see But yeah, here I'm curing my nails for 45 seconds. And then as soon as I do that, I'm gonna seal that glitter in. So I'm going to go over top of it with my gelish top coat. So this is just a clear top coat. It doesn't have any color or anything to it. And I've got one bottle which is specifically for glitters, because sometimes when you're going over it with glitter, like glitter will get on your brush and you don't want to put that like back in your polish bottle, but it's like there's nothing you can do, like it just sort of happens. So I have one polish bottle for my glitters and then my like clean top coat bottle, so I have two. So you can do as many layers as you want. Like I think I might have done 2, and then I'm spritzing my nails with alcohol again just to wipe any sticky like residue off of them. And then I'm going to file the nails so they're smooth, because the glitter makes the nails a little bit chunky. So you want to file them so they're like nice and smooth. Because like, I don't know, that's a personal pet peeve of mine. I hate like touching my nails and feeling like a lump or bump on them. I just get so super annoyed. I'm kind of like get those like cold chills, you know, like it's just a nasty feeling. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing here, and that honestly, that is the longest part when I do my nails, honestly, filing away just to get the shape you want and get the smoothness you want. But honestly, it is worth it. The more time you put into filing your nails, the better they're gonna look in the long run. But yeah, the better they're gonna look in the long run, let me tell you. But yeah, what do you guys think of my outfit today? So I've actually got this really cute top on from Shein that has like these cute little buttons. It's like a little crop top. And my necklaces here, you see I've got Artemis from Sailor Moon. My friend Miss-a-Ree, she made these really cute necklaces, and the other one says vegan. I'll link her shop down below, Miss-a-Ree Guts on Instagram, if you'd like to check her out. She does like the cutest designs. And I made these little pastel pink like cotton candy fairy floss ears too. So yeah, I've been making a lot more ears and I've been having a lot of fun doing that. If you guys would like to check them out, I will also link my shop Inekune Creations down below. So here, because I don't have yet a lot of colors of gelish polishes, I hope to get more, but they're very expensive, so they're like $30 a bottle. But what I do to sort of like be like the penny pincher in me, I mix some of my normal nail polishes because I don't want them to go to waste, even though I've started doing gel nails. But I mix a little like drop of my normal polish in with the clear top coat. So you'll see that's what I'm doing here. And first I'm placing like little dots where I want the ice cream drips to go, kind of like mapping out a guide for myself. And then once I place the dot on there, I just drag a line down towards the end of my nail. So it almost looks like stripes at first, just like with my nail dotting tool, but then later on I go in and fill the whole sort of like outline that I've done for myself, fill it all in. And I recommend curing one nail at a time, because these opalic polishes that I'm using, I think the pink one, it was called Life's a Peach or something like that, but they're quite thin. So for example, if I do one nail, then the next nail, then the next nail, then like a whole hand, by the time I get to the last nail, which is normally my pinky because I like to start with my thumb, the thumb has started to run off, like because the gel polishes, they're quite watery. So I like to do one nail first. Sometimes I do two if I'm really lazy, like I'll do this one, cure them together, and then I'll move on to the next few. Because otherwise, like if I try to do a whole hand at a time, like for example, I start with my thumb and then I do this one, then this one, 4, 5. By the time I get to my last nail, the first nail I did looks all janky. So that's why I try to cure that one first. so they look nice. Because otherwise the gel polish runs down the sides of my fingers and I've got to file it and it just takes too much time. But here you'll see I did about 2 layers of the pink and I cure for 45 seconds. And just remember, if you're mixing normal nail polish in with the clear nail polish, you don't want to use too much. So if you use too much, it's not going to dry. So just use the tiniest bit, but I would recommend getting a pink gel polish. But if you're like me and can't afford all the colors, I totally understand. This is what works for me. So yeah, I'm not a nail tech by any means, but this is what I do. And I'm going to do the rest of my nails. I'll speed it up for you so you guys got the point. You know what you're doing. Okay, now finally I'm on to the last nail, my little pinky. So after I've done that, you can see I'm just touching up like a few other spots that I may have missed on all my other nails just to make sure they're all like a solid pink. Because when you mix your regular nail color with the clear top coat, it's kind of translucent, so it's not a solid pink. But that's why I just sort of top up any colors. And so now that we've got our ice cream drips painted, how cute do they look? Oh my god, I'm so happy with how these nails turned out. They're super cute. But what we're gonna do now is do a clear top coat just to lock all of that in, and that's just with our gelish top coat. And when I'm done, I cure that for 45 seconds. So I'm going to show you one hand, one camera, and I'll do the other hand off camera just to save time. But next we're going to do sprinkles. So with our sprinkles, I chose to do a few different colors. So this blue color is called True Blue, and I mixed it with a little bit of a white polish called Fluffy Bunny. So these are palette gel polishes. Like, I don't recommend them, they're not the greatest. They're $19.95 like Australian dollars per bottle, but Priceline has them on half price all the time, so I bought a few of them when they were half price, so they were like $10 each. The white one I'm using here, Fluffy Bunny, it's really weird. So it's like sheer, so it will be really good like if you're doing like a French tips and stuff like that to get that sort of like ombre gradient effect, you know. But when I want like a solid white, I was like not happy with it because I have to do quite a lot of layers with it. And with the gel polishes, because they're quite thick, so the more layers you do, the like chunkier it gets, so it almost becomes like 3D nail art. So I try to get them as like sleek as possible. Sometimes you'll see me filing and filing a lot to try and get them smooth, but it will say on the bottle of the acrylic polishes what type of finish they are. Like this one is like sheer, some are like glitter, some are like opaque, like solid, like the blue one. But yeah, I'm just adding little sprinkles with my dotting tool. And this nail dotting tool I think I just got from Chemist Warehouse. So it's just a brand called W7. It was super cheap. I think like less than $5. It's so good. I've got another one a bit more fancy from, what are they called? Oh, Kester Black. So they're a local Melbourne nail polish brand. They're really good, but again, quite expensive. Vegan nail polish is expensive, man. Gosh. But yeah, totally worth it. So you see, I'm doing one color at a time. So I've started with my white sprinkles, and you see how like translucent they are. So I need to do another coat for the white. But here I'm gonna do some blue sprinkles too. And literally what I'm doing, I'll do a dot of polish on my nail, just whatever's on my little dotting tool. I'll do a little dot of it, and then I will sort of smooth out. So I'll draw it in a straight line where the little sprinkle goes, because otherwise if I get too much polish on my nail, that's why I just start with a single little dot, the sprinkle will just turn into a blob and get too thick. So that's what I'm trying to do here. Not every sprinkle is perfect. Accidents happen, but imagine picking up a handful of sprinkles and just like chucking them on your cupcake. It doesn't look too perfect anyways, you know. But there we go. And we're done. So here is the other hand as well. So we've got all our cute little sprinkles. Oh my god, I love these nails so much. They're literally one of my favorites that I've done so far. I'm really happy with how they turned out. They're super cute. The only thing I wish I would have done maybe more like a contrasting color, because the pink underneath, I should have done something bolder. Like maybe, what color would you guys have done for your ice cream drips? Any recommendations? I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this nail tutorial was fun for you, or at least informative in some way. I get asked all the time at work by my friends and as well as customers where I'm doing makeup at Sephora. They're always asking me, oh my god, where do you get your nails done? And I'm like, girl, I do them myself. Like, check out these leopard ones I've got at the moment. I've just been loving leopard. But yeah, I tell them, I'm like, literally, I got a $30 UV lamp off of Amazon and some gelish polishes, and it has changed my life. Like, no more like $65, $70 at the nail salon for me. No, no, no. But yeah, it's been super fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have another nail video in the works. Next week we're going to be doing flame nails, so stay tuned. Hope to see you again. Bye.